Turn raw makhana into perfectly roasted, crunchy goodness with advanced automation. Our automatic makhana roaster ensures precise temperature control for uniform roasting every time. Even heat distribution delivers consistent quality, better taste, and higher productivity. Reduce manual effort, save time, and increase your production efficiency. Automatic Makhana Roaster. Smart technology for smarter food processing.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being
high
negative
efficiency,
when you should be getting after
uniform
it.
roasting.
I got facts over tracks,
easy operation,
spitting slow,
time
fast,
saving,
like a roast,
industrial
think I'm
performance.
okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior